Hello everyone, this is Sindhu, originally from India, and I've been working in the NHS since February 2023. So if you ask me about the challenges which I faced in my initial days, the first thing I would say is the weather change, because the place which I'm coming from is a tropical place where it's so hot, and coming here in the UK and having extremely cold weather was very hard for me in my initial days, which at times made me feel very lonely and even depressive. So I would say that's the first and foremost challenge that I face, and I think everyone faces from overseas. And the second thing I want to mention is the homesickness, of course, because being away from family, not having so many friends that you had from your from back home, will make us feel very lonely. Like at times I even feel like there's no one to share our low feelings, low emotions. So that was an equally difficult part of my first initial days of me in the UK. And eventually I got a lot of friends, and now I can say I have some good quality friends. And moving on, the other challenge I would want to say is the time zone difference, of course, because we don't live in different time zones as our home country. So if at all I'm feeling sad, lonely, I would want to call my mom, inform her anything, like whenever I'm feeling down. I can't call them all the time because I need to think of the time zones as well. So that's one thing which was difficult for me to adapt in my initial days. But eventually, when time goes, it all will settle in its own place. So yeah. So if you ask me about the workplace challenges which I faced during my initial days, will definitely be the cultural differences from people, because the people were from different nationalities. So adjusting to communicate along with their diversities and differences was difficult for me. And the next thing was communicating with my patients, of course, because there was a little bit of language barrier. Although I speak English, but the accent of the British patients were entirely different for me to understand. And at times I will feel very low, like not, I will feel like, what if I go wrong? What if they judge? And what if I miscommunicate or misunderstand something they are telling me, or vice versa? So that was difficult for me in my initial days. One more challenge I want to mention is that the policies and procedures. Although I have experience back in India, coming and working here, in the beginning I felt like a fresher because of the different policies and procedures of the hospital and the trust, that I had to unlearn and relearn new things in order to adapt to this trust policies and protocols. What motivates me to go to work is my family, because I want to give them a better life. So if I'm not going for work, who is going to provide for my family? Who is going to take care of my family? Is what is pushing me to work every day. And also it is also for myself and my future career that I need to go to work every day to build my career, and also my patients. If I'm not going to work, who is going to be looking after my patients? So, and finally, I know that I have so many support groups available from my colleagues, managers, and the trust as well. So all of these motivates me to go to work. So to all my fellow IENs or nurses in general, you just heard my part of the story. What you're experiencing or feeling right now is valid. We're all gonna overcome this, and one day we're all gonna look back and say we did it.